Okay, welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart, episode 17. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Where are we going? Here? What?
You are a fool for underestimating me.
Really, fuckers?
My favorite window. No matter. I have infinity blocks.
Okay.
Attention! Riot in progress. Reinforcement capacities at 56% and dwindling.
Okay, you want this? What the fuck? Give me that.
You are not permitted to defend it. You will not be done.
Oh man.
It's the vast and unforgiving strength of my leadership.
Let's go.
We have seen enough.
Not until I say so.
Reinforcement capacities
Come on.
at 42%. East wing has fallen into prisoner.
Not the VIP section. Send in everything. Anything.
Local reinforcements unavailable. Engaging emergency warp-in protocol.
Come on. You fuckers, come on. Okay, what now?
We have taken a hit.
Security forces depleted.
We need to return to Ratchet and Kit before it is too late.
Yeah, just have to get out of here first.
I'm going, don't
The
worry.
office is sealed. How do we get out?
Maybe that window leads somewhere.
It would appear we have new allies.
They're moving his cell again into maximum security.
I will start developing
Come on.
a plan.
Catch up to their cell faster before they're locked away in the depths of prison indefinitely.
Or a plan C, perhaps.
Return to your cell at once. Not a chance this time to dance.
Keep that cell in sight.
Holy shit. What the fuck is this episode? Such a mess. Where the fuck are we going?
We'll need to find a way back up.
Perhaps we can use that rift tether to get us up to that platform.
Okay, here. And now here.
Up ahead. We can jump
Let's
to that
go.
maximum security platform from there.
No lie.
Come on. I missed that.
That console. If we override it, maybe we can slow them down.
Let's go. Okay, I need something different. Fuckers. Come on, how are you still alive? Nice, let's go. Let's fucking go.
Finally! We're gonna get you out of here.
Priority
Holy shit.
Stop your cellar.
I will not allow you to escape the Emperor's glorious punishment. My glorious punishment.
All right, how are we gonna escape? I've tried everything. Kit, any ideas?
Come on, kid, say something.
I have no ideas.
Really? Because you...
Rivet.
Warning, riot in progress. Giggle gas protocol activated.
No, the room is filling with gas.
Hold your breath.
Ratchet, quickly, get us out of here. Hit those buttons to open the door.
Giggle gas protocol ineffective. Increasing gas level. Oh
Let's go.
They're sealing off the area. Hey! It's all falling apart. Just like the dimensions.
She seems to deeply regret it. Now keep moving.
Maybe.
Come on.
You're not gonna make
Tether
it.
onto that rip.
Holy shit.
Their cell. It went outside. There, quickly. We must slingshot onto that evacuation platform.
Hello, big kids. Holy shit, this is so good. Come on.
Great! Now they're sending in dropships too?
No.
It must be quite valuable.
Come on.
Hurry before their backup arrives!
Holy shit, how many of them are here? Okay, what do I need? Come on.
Careful.
Really? I need help. Let's go. Holy shit, man. Come on, die already.
How many troopers do these guys have?
Too many.
No. Here was something. Give me this. Come on. Holy shit, man. Still going. No. Hi. Hello!
I think that was all of them.
Not
Thank God.
quite.
What? The fuck are you doing here? Come on!
I have it in my sights.
What? Come on! You fucker! Okay, what do I need now? Can you do this? Yes, you can. Okay. Okay, help me, guys. Come on! Holy shit, one is dead. Let's go for another one. Come on, die already. What are you doing here? Nice.
Quickly, use that crank to pull the cell back toward us.
You will never escape. This place is surrounded, and you're
Let's go.
Wait, you cannot do that. You cannot fire me. I quit.
Come on. What the fuck? Holy shit, really? Let's go.
Someone call for backup?
Thanks for the save. Kit, are you...
Give us a minute.
We'll meet you at the ship.
Clank told me I should try to forgive you. I am going back to Savali. I never should have.
Wait! You're just gonna hide again? Now?
I am very... Truly, I am sorry, Rivet. For everything. I am not a good partner.
Well, maybe you could be. If you'd stopped to help me that night instead of running away, things could have been different. Or if you just told the truth, maybe...
Why do none of you understand? I am broken. I will always be broken.
Fine. Go hide. We have a universe to save. Universes, whatever. I don't need a partner anyway.
Wait, where's Kit?
She's not coming.
But... Kit should be here.
She didn't want to be.
Only because she thinks she's dangerous.
And maybe she is.
So you're just gonna give up on her? Because you're afraid?
Says the big hero who's too scared to look for the other Lombaxes? At least my fear makes sense. Sorry.
Sorry.
You're all okay! Oh, thank goodness. We were so worried.
They can't stop us that easily.
What took you all so long? Hey! I think I know how we can find the Emperor! When you're ready to take the fight to him, come talk to me!
Hey, Phantom. Thanks. Sorry. 1 sec.
Well.
So how do we find the Emperor?
I say, are you sure you're ready? Okay, we have to draw
Okay.
him out. So I was thinking I'd disguise myself as a robot, but with a really big...
Holy shit, it's ending.
Listen closely. Is it fear? Hope? The slow inevitability of death? No, it's me. Winning. What else is new, you say? Oh, quite right. But you are only a part of one dimension. What about the rest? Maybe I'm just old-fashioned, but I think everyone deserves a little subjugation. So, to celebrate such a momentous occasion, I'd like to honor the good doctor who inspired this journey in the first place. By invading his home dimension personally. What? My first stop, Megalopolis. Or, as I like to think of it, New Nefarious City.
When do we leave?
Holy
Right
shit.
now.
Are we home? I am afraid so.
The Emperor is truly turning our dimension into his own.
Nefarious is just up ahead. If you guys distract him, I can try and grab the Dimensionator from above.
We'll meet you there.
You cannot go wrong with this stock.
The Emperor must be stopped before he causes the dimensions to fully collapse.
Hey, furry dude! You're trying to
Okay, let's go. Holy Holy shit, so many of them are there.
You hear that, pal?
Look at this.
Let's take out some snipers. Rivet, how's it looking up there?
Not great, but I'm with her.
Come on.
We got you covered. Hurry and get that Dimensionator.
We heard our homes be under attack. So the pirates be here to steal it all back.
Nefarious cannot be far. We must keep moving.
Sniper down.
We need to get the snipers. Let's go. Where's the sniper?
There is one
This?
more sniper.
Okay.
All right.
Come on. Really? Okay. Sniper, let's go. Boom. Come on.
Not about enough of you.
No. Okay. Pixelize your base, man. No! Super Saiyan, no! No! No, 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 no. This is not really happening. I need help. I need fucking help, man. I see that. Let's go. Okay, holy shit, man. Let's kill these bastards. Come on.
Incredible as always.
Ratchet and Clank! They're here!
You are the heroes of this dimension? That is hilarious.
You got lucky last time, Nefarious.
This calls for a special sort of annihilation. I've been looking for an excuse to wear my new suit.
Where did he go?
What's your move, Nefarious?
Okay, let's end this episode here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.